flats where the gray river bends sits a steel giant long past its end. Once she roared with 1,000 dreams, turning mud and stone into golden gleam. She came from war, a bucket-fed beast, built to dig and never cease. Birchfield bought her in '92, gave her life and the ground she flew. She's the last dredge down in Blackball town, still floats proud though the gear shut down. 55,000 ounces she gave, through the river's bend and the miner's brave. Idle now, but her tale is gold, of grit and fire in the West Coast cold. Ford Creek failed her first time around, buried timber shut her down. But the 30s came with local might, and Blackball's dredge dug day and night. Dividends rained, the gold came fast. Good men worked what it would and last. Argo came and did their run till 42, their time was done. She's the last dredge down in Blackball town, still floats proud though the gear shut down. 55,000 ounces she gave, through the river's bend and the miner's brave. Idle now, but her tale is gold, of grit and fire in the West Coast cold.